we just got to our little hotel for one night. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you in a minute, but it's a really cute hotel by the river. And yeah, this is like our final 24 hours in Florence after we visited my family for Christmas. So I thought I would take you with me on a little quick, you know, stop into one of the most beautiful cities in the world. If I say so myself, I was born here, so very attached to it. I'm about to get a cup of tea, just do some paperwork while Sam has a shower, and then I will talk to you guys again. Let's do a quick room tour. Our room was actually the smallest in the hotel, but for us it was perfect because we were only staying for one night, so we didn't even really unpack. My actual favorite thing was definitely the bathroom. It just looked stunning. It was beautiful, it had lots of mirrors and just like really interesting design. There were also toiletries, which I always appreciate because I don't like having to carry with me loads of stuff, especially when it's a very short trip. So very grateful for that as well. The rest of the hotel was also extremely pretty, and needless to say, I was very appreciative of the bookcase that they had in the corridor. I just got a little tea delivery. How adorable are these mugs? I'm obsessed. So cute. So I'm just gonna have like a cup of tea, and yeah, and then I'll speak to you guys later. I can't get over how cute this all is. So let's have fun for 24 hours in Florence. Guarda che gelato. Senti, a me per favore uno da... Hey, so we have finished breakfast and just like packed all the suitcases, and now we're just ready to check out from the hotel. had like a bit of a, I feel like a bit upset because I've had a bit of an issue with the airline that we're flying with, but who doesn't, right? It's just always like this. It's always quite stressful, and you often don't really see the stress when you're traveling, when you're showing that you're traveling rather, which is fine because I obviously don't want to like make this a negative space or like a negative vlog, but at the same time I also don't like when people don't talk about these things and just make it sound like everything always goes so super smoothly. So that is not the case, but anyway, whatever, it is what it is. So we're going to check out, and then we're gonna have like about an hour or so that we can spend in Florence. So we're just gonna go like take another look around, go and see everything with the light, because last night it was quite dark obviously already. And then I think we're gonna try and get something to eat to take to the airport, and then come back here, get a taxi and go to the airport. So it's been a very quick sort of 24 hours, but I feel like it's kind of like the perfect amount of time to spend if you're trying to break up a long journey, and also if you're visiting a place that you've already been in, because like obviously we're not new to Florence, we've been here before, we've visited stuff before, so it's not so much about, you know, like actually doing things, it's just about having a really nice, you know, walk outside, just enjoy breaking up the journey and stuff like that. So yeah, we will be just doing that now. I am at this point quite excited to go back to London, but yeah, you know, not long to go now.